We don't have to worry about our seeds being broken up all the way because we're still going to be adding items here. So we're going to take a little bit of our cilantro and with the middle of our knife, we'll cut these into small leaves. We'll take a jalapeno, we'll cut the top off, then we'll cut it in the center. Now what we're going to do, this is where all of the heat is. We want the flavor of this jalapeno, but not necessarily the spice. So we're going to run along and take the seeds and the white rib meat out. Then we'll give this a rough dice as well. Then we'll take a clove of garlic. We will remove our brown end. We'll give this a rough dice. And we'll add our cilantro, garlic, and jalapeno along with just a pinch of salt. And then we'll blend them together as well.